Okay, yesterday I took another, I don't know, maybe half an hour to play a little bit more with HTML. I think that's been enough for now. But I did the tabs, so you can see the home, the pictures, some links, then there's the About Me section, the email. Contact me, I create a form that was actually pretty fun to do. And then I did this just to know how it works to create a table. So I think that should be more than enough. It's just to know a tiny bit. And now, today, I should remember with this, I'm really, really tired. So I'm going to apologize, but I'm committed to do this every day. So, now we are going to create a new file that's style 1. So new text file that I want to call it, what is the day? Style day. Style, I'm gonna do style 1 HTML. And so we start with doc type. Wow. HTML, apparently. We write HTML again. That is why? I don't know. But okay, head, title, CSS, day 3 of my learning. Colors, style. Okay. Body. Oh, now this looks interesting. It looks like this is gonna be hard. I don't know where that thingy is on my tastatur. Let me check. I have, of course. Doing CSS, I cannot even copy this. After body is this weird. Where is it on the other? I don't know where it is on the keyboard. It's great when you have to input stuff, you don't know. The curly brace, yes. The curly brace is option 8. See? And I didn't even know the name was curly brace. I learned something new today, but now this moved. Okay, curly brace. Background color. And apparently we are choosing 1A, 1A, 2E. Awesome. Color is E0, 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 E0. Font, no, not here. Font family, Arial, sans serif. Is, I'm not sure if this is okay. Curly brace closes. H1. Curly brace, color, E my brain is not running today. 94560. Oh, look, and there it comes right after. That looks really. Ah, it shows you the color. That is so cool. Okay. Font size 48 pixels. I forgot to put this here. I don't know if it's relevant. I'm gonna guess it is. Text align center. Okay, curly brace closes. And then it's P, curly brace, font size 20 pixels, line height. This is very boring. No wonder no one is gonna watch this. But at least I have I'm learning. Center. Semicolon, closing curly brace. A. Guessing that's the link. Curly brace. Color. 0F3460. It's dark green. Oh, my back. Yeah, I'm just kind of background color. Background color. Oh, it shows you some colors. It's actually also very nice. E94560, E94560. Also red again. Padding. I don't even know what padding is, but I will find out. I will ask later. Semicolon. Text decoration. None. Why not? Border. This is now because I want to write stuff in British English. So this is being a little bit annoying. Like with color, the word color, for example. Close style. Close. Interesting. Did he close title here? Oh, yes, he did. And I did not see that. Copy. Here, obviously. That was a mistake. Close style. Close head. Now we start the body. Body. H1. Welcome to my styled page. Close H1. Paragraph. Look how different this looks compared to plain HTML. Exclamation mark. Close paragraph. Paragraph. CSS is like giving your website a complete makeover. Close paragraph. Open paragraph. No. No. Oh, now I'm putting a link. A href equals the quotes. I'm losing track of what I'm seeing. HTTPS Claude.ai. Oh no. Visit Claude is doing advertising for itself. Claude. I'm a bit confused. Wait, did not that appear? Okay, doesn't matter. Close body, close HTML. Save. Okay. Let's take a look at how this looked like. It's just the text is black. I did something. A background color, obviously. So either so color E0 sets the default text color to light gray, but it didn't. Color color E0 didn't change the text color to light. Stop it, City. Fuck off. To light gray. It is still black. Obviously, I did include the hash, yes. Ah, it's a semicolon. I got it. I got it. It was, of course, my mistake. Once again. Found the mistake. A complete makeover. But this one, which is here, the color is too dark. So let's just change, like he says, background color. Like he says, padding, add space inside the link. 10 pixels on top, but okay, I know now what padding is. Border radius, text decoration, removes the default underline from links. Okay. So change the background color to white, which is a lot of Fs. It's 5 Fs. Nice, 4 Fs. The H1 font size to 72, make it extra big. Yeah, let's play a little bit with this. Border radius, like extra large button. I didn't see the button because it was like very background color. All right. let's just see what happened now. I still cannot see the link though. What can I not see the link? I'm doing something wrong. No, it's not the color of the background. Make sure this line inside of body, it's P-A-H. Jesus, stupidity. The thing is, it's all my own mistakes. Just stupid mistakes. Oh, but this is still not. Stupid mistakes that I do. No, but I can still not see it. https cloud.ai, visit cloud AI. Close this, close the P. It is not the color because I put it on white, the background. Why is it not appearing? No, I cannot take a screenshot because I'm on 2 different computers. Fuck off. But I know something is wrong though, because body, the closing of body is in pink, and I have a feeling it should be blue. So what is happening? I'm definitely doing something wrong here, but he said it wrong. Okay. I have a feeling that something is wrong here because they look pink. Yes, it's all there. The closing A and the closing P and the closing body are pink instead of blue. I am guessing there is the error somewhere. See? They think it should have exactly 2 straight quotation marks. Oh, fuck. It's the human mistakes. But at least, you know, this is good. Mistakes are good, and I'm going to tell you why. I knew the mistake was related to the link because the closing paragraph, body, and HTML were pink. So at least I am able to recognize this stuff. And that's exactly what I wanted to learn this. See, this looks cool. Found a mistake. Thanks. This is exactly what I wanted to do this. Because I wanted to be able to look at this stuff and be able to recognize main things or mistakes. So this is good. It's good that I'm doing this. See? Okay. I am so cool. Oh, I didn't put on the timer. Okay, let's put it now for, I don't know how long I've been here, for 30 minutes. I mean, I could see how long I've been here. I have been streaming for 21 minutes? Time goes by really fast, dude, when you're learning and having fun. Okay, so everything on our webpage is a box. Yes, really. Even this heading, this paragraph, all boxes. A new style file. Let's create a new style file. Which we're going to call, okay, more style. Doc type. Is there something I'm missing here? Why is it not appearing by itself? Line 1, doc type. I understand my mistake. I need to rename it. See? I can see my mistakes now. This is cool. This means I'm learning. Okay, HTML. I am learning. Head. Title. CSS part 2. Box model. Close the title. Close the title. Style. Body. Open the curly thingy. Background color is F4, F4, F4. This German keyboard. Font family. Arial. Sans serif. Color 333 will be black. Close bracket. I didn't quite understand what does it mean with the boxes. Everything is going to produce is a box. Okay, I will understand this while I do this. Card. Background color. So now I can just put white instead of a number with 500 pixels. Margin 30 pixels. This is giving me energy. I was tired and now I'm like, wait, coffee. This is how I see I'm excited about this. Wait, margin, no, 30 pixels auto. Padding, which I forgot what it was. 30 pixels. And I did a mistake here. I saw it though. Border 2 pixels solid DDD. I don't know what that means, but okay. Border radius 12 pixels. That was already included. Box shadow 0, 4 pixels, 8 pixels, red, green, blue, what is the A for? 0, 0, 0, 0.1. Okay, close it. Card H2, that's probably what he means with boxes. Open color. To the outside, this might look so fucking boring. 5797. I'm having a I kind of like the green he was before, but okay. Margin top 0. No. Close this. Dot card P. Font size 16 pixels. Let me do something. Line height 1.6. Okay, this one is closed. Highlight. I don't know what that means either, but I guess we will find out. Background color. F3CD. Padding. 15 pixels. Border left 4 pixels, solid FFC 107, margin top 15 pixels. Okay, close style. Jesus, this is a huge thing. Close head. Now we start with body. This is boring, and at the same time, I'm having such a great time. Div class card. Card. Close. I know what that means, but we will get to that. H2. Understanding the box model. Close H2. A paragraph. Every HTML element is a rectangular box. CSS controls 4 things about each box. Close the paragraph. I'm gonna make a list. No. Did I close the div? I don't have to close it. No, I don't have to close it. Okay. But I'm opening a new one. Does that make sense? Div, div class highlight. These come out automatically. It wants to close the... Oh, there are two closing divs. Okay, whatever div is. Paragraph. This is starting to be a little bit too much. Strong. Content. Close strong. The text or image inside. And close paragraph. So I'm not doing a list like I learned to do a list. Paragraph. Oof, this is getting a lot now. Becoming a... Padding. Close strong. Space between the content and the border. Like stuff in a jacket. Close the paragraph. Another paragraph. Another strong. Border. Close strong. It's because it's bold, right? Probably, or something like that. The edge of the box. Oh, fuck. No. Here. There. And another one. No. This is starting to be annoying. Margin. Close strong. Space outside the box, pushing other boxes away. Close this, close div again. So now we're starting another div. Class card. H2, my second card. Close H2. Paragraph. See how both cards look the same? That is because they both use the same CSS class called card. Close paragraph. I only had to write the styling once and it applies to both. Well, I mean, Claude wrote it for me. Closing div, closing body, closing HTML, and now we open it. Okay. This is cool. So card. Let me take a look at classes are a usable name you give to HTML elements in the HTML. We wrote div class card. We did. The CSS card styles apply to any element in the class card. Div, a generic container box. It is nothing by itself. It's just a box you can style. Think of it like a cardboard box. Okay. Margin. Auto means calculate the left and right space automatically. Okay. Strong mid text bold. I imagine that match. Okay, how much time do I have left? 14 minutes. Okay. Building a profile card now. I think I'm quite happy with what I'm learning. I feel a little bit saturated right now, but let's do it. Let's build something that looks professional, a professional profile card. This is the kind of thing you see in portfolios. So let's call this one style3.html. And we start with the doc type. I know that much already. And the second one is HTML. Okay. Yay. I know that much already. The second one is head. Okay. Title. And the title is my profile card. I close the title. And then I write the style. Body. I feel a little bit overwhelmed right now with everything, but 667 EEA. Font family. That's fine. Display flex. I don't know what that means. I'm sure it's going to tell me here though. Display flex. This is a flex box. It is the most important layout tool in CSS. When you put display flex on a container, all items inside it line up in a row. Think of it like putting books on a shelf. They automatically sit next to each other. Okay, thank you for the explanation. So display flex, put them in a row. Justify content, center, sense. Align items, center. See, I would write center with the R in the middle. Min height 100 VH. I don't know what that means either. Margin 0. And we close that. Okay. Dot profile card. Profile minus card. It needs to be written together. Background color. White. With 350 pixels. Border radius 20 pixels. Padding 40 pixels. Text align center. Box shadow 20 pixels, 60 pixels, RGBA 0,0,0,0.3. Close the curly bracket. Avatar. Open curly bracket with 120. Very nice. Height 120. Border radius 50%. Border 4 pixels. Solid 667 EEA. Close it. Then name. Bracket. Starting to get really boring. Font size 28 pixels. Okay. Color 333. Margin bottom 5. And we close it, and then it's dot title. Open the bracket. Font size 16. Margin top 0. Close the bracket. Bio, open the bracket. Color. Jesus, my brain is really not in best shape. Font size 15 pixels. That is not even true. It says, I don't care. Ah, yes, I'm in bio. Fuck. Line height 1.6. Margin 20 pixels and 0, whatever that means. Dot stats. Open the shit. Display. Flex. Justify content. Space around. Border top 1 px solid EE. Padding top 20px. Margin top 20. Oh my god, this is never ending. What am I doing? Oh, this is annoying now. I don't want to. Jesus. I mean, it's nice to learn this, but who wants to be writing this all day? Nobody. Font weight. Bold. Color. Oh, 6. No. 667 EA. Stat label. Oh, this is annoying. Font size. Starting to get really hot in here. Color. 999. Close it. And of course there's more. I don't even know what it is that I'm writing. BTN. Display. Inline block. Background color. 667 EEA. Color white. Padding 12px 40px. Border radius 25px. Text decoration none. Font size 16p. This is really boring work. Like, whoever does this for a living all day is my hero. Almost done. .btn Hoover. Oh, so now we're here. Button. BTN is button. And this is what happens when you hover over the button. Aha. That is interesting. 5A 6F D6. So the button color changes. We close style. We close head. Oh my god, we're not finished yet. There's more. Now is the body. This is so annoying. Div. Class equals profile card. Yay. But I am not closing div. Now I'm putting an image, apparently. Image class equals avatar source equals https place kitten. Why does the internet love kittens so much? 200. Close the brackets. Do this. Okay. H2. to class equals name. He's telling me to put this here. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. I'm going to not put that bracket. But it looks like if I do that, I'm doing something wrong here. I'm doing something wrong. And time is up. I know I'm doing something wrong here. But I will take a look later. Why is class now being written in white? Title. I'm doing something wrong. I'm doing something. I know what I'm doing wrong. Yes. I know what I'm doing wrong. I was not supposed to. No, but then. Okay. The fact that I can see that makes me so happy. Class bio. Learning to build websites. That's enough. Close this. Okay. Div. No, not clone. Class equals stats. Oh, oh. Stats number 6. You know what? I'm gonna copy this. Div class stats. Oh. There's an stat label weeks in, which is, by the way, not right. Div. And of course we have another div. Because otherwise it would be boring. Div class equals stat number. Three. Close div. Oh, div class equals stat minus label projects. Closing div, then opening a new div. Div, almost done. Stat minus number. 100%. And div class stat label closing. It's boring, but it's helping me to actually understand this a lot better. Div, closing div. It says dive. That's not good. Interesting. Why do I have two closing divs here? I will have to revise everything again. No. I forgot a... Okay. Oh wow, I did something really wrong. Okay, I will find the mistake. Which, by the way, I think I did already. Let me take a look at when the body starts. Div class profile card. Image H2P P. What? H2 1, 2 P's. Then div class. Okay. I know what I did wrong. I forgot 2 lines. Stats. Close it. Don't close it here. I got it. Div. And that's why here I got a second closing. Now it should... I don't know what this is. Okay, there's a real weird button here. The image is not loading. This looks really cool. I feel like they should be... But okay, Jesus. Stop it. I'm happy for today. I will play a little bit more later on. But this is really cool. Okay. Understanding CSS a little bit better. Oh, Jesus, I look like a freak. I look like a crazy professor. Awesome. So this is day 3. I will play with it a little bit more, and then, oh, and then it's, I don't know. I don't even know.